Hey friends, how is everybody doing? I hope we're all doing okay. Have you ever wondered why this is read as some, but this is read as same? Where does it come from? If you're new to this channel, please subscribe, turn on the notification bell so that you get to know of when we have posted a new video. If you've been with us, thank you for following us, and welcome to today's lesson. So in today's lesson, we're looking at what they call the magic E or the silent E, as it appears in most of these words I've written down here. So, the magic E is usually at the end of the word, and the magic E added to the word makes this preceding vowel, a long vowel. So, for example, this word is sam. It's read as sam, but this we read s a same, because of this magic E at the end of the word. So this magic E will make this a long vowel. So it will become a long A. This stays a short A because it has no magic E here. So this is sam. But with the magic E at the end, it becomes same. The same thing for this. K, it, kit. But when we add a magic E at the end of this word, it will become kite. Kite. So this E makes this vowel a long vowel. Long I remains I. It stays with its name. Let's look at more words. We have hat. When we add the magic E, it becomes hate. The long A is A. Hate. We have mean. So when we add the magic E at the end of the word, it becomes ein, mine. We have fin, in, in. With the magic E at the end, we have I, ein, fine. We have mat, at, at. When we add the magic E, it becomes a. This becomes its name. Eight, mate, mate, and this is silent. This is silent. It is not pronounced. Fam. But when we add the magic E at the end, it will become aim, fame, fame. We have an, an. When we add the magic E at the end, it becomes a, ain, cane, cane, cane. We have spin, sp. This is a blend. SP is a blend. We previously looked at what they call blends. These are usually two consonants, usually pronounced quickly together, but each letter makes its individual sound. So we have sp, 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 in. When we add the magic E at the end of this word, it becomes spine, spine. So literally the magic E makes the short A makes the short vowels turn into long vowels, as you've seen in this lesson. Did you know that? If this lesson was helpful to you, please give us a thumbs up, comment, like, and share. Thank you for being with me. Have a great day. Bye.